What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James, and today we're going to be doing a final walkthrough for our client for this house currently right now. We just got done doing the final walkthrough. This is the breaker, and we're at the Riverstone community. All right, I'm going to do a walkabout of the site and everything, but really I want to show you guys the inside of the house first. All right, and what we've done to the house. So as you can see, the house looks really nice and clean. Just a couple of touch-up paint, blue tape that we just recently marked. More dirt and fingerprint right there. Everything looks good. Bathroom wise, right? Of course, more paint, touch-up up in the ceiling. So they'll do more touch-up paint throughout the whole house. And then look like they have a little chip right there, paint right there. Let's have them repaint that section. So pretty much just a whole bunch of touch-up paint throughout the downstairs area. You can tell a lot of touch-up paint is needed. And then kitchen area right here. Pretty much just touch up. Everything seems to be in working order. Nothing crazy that we see. Okay. Of course, more touch-up paint. You see the X on the ground? Well, it's just to indicate to the painter / the construction crew that certain area need to be touched up from the ceiling because we can't reach up there. But yeah, everything seems to be done. Very well kept condition. We've also told the builder that we want to fill up those gap right there between the fence throughout the house, just in case we don't want, dogs or cats or whatever to run around. But yeah, so this is the breaker. Let's go check out the upstairs real quick just so that I can show you guys. And then after that, we can tour you guys other sites, what the exterior looks like. All right, so all these blue tapes, super easy and convenient. All right, so here's a laundry room, super spacious laundry room. And then let's see, the floor is made out of luxury, no, it's not luxury vinyl, it's just regular vinyl. Yeah, here's the bathroom right here. Really good sized bathroom, okay. A lot of times what we do during our property tour is we want to check underneath the sink, make sure the house is in well kept condition. If we have any questions, we definitely want to ask the guy that does the walk, customer service guy, just to double check everything. The guy that does the service walk, just to ask them for replacements and repair. Okay, so we got this nice building right there. This nice bedroom. So see a little bed right there. So they're asking for fixed. And then let's see, yeah, everything looks good. The drywall hole right there, they needed that to be filled. The vent system right there, we're just asking for that to be updated and replaced because it's a little yellow. It's really yellow. And then here's the master right here. So this is the breaker. Let's go check out the master bathroom. Double sink, little toilet area. We got fiberglass and everything. And then right across from us, guys, they're the model right there. We'll tour that for you guys down the road. But yeah, our house is the corner lot, huge, spacious backyard. I'll show you guys what the backyard looked like. We got walk-in closet here, good size walk-in closet. And then over here, we got another walk-in closet. Call it his and hers walk-in closet. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the tour. 4 bedrooms, 3 full bath, and I think it's like 3 full bath, 4 bedroom, 4 bedroom, 3 full bath. This is the breaker down in Riverstone. Guys, if you like this type of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn how we can help you save thousands and thousands of dollars when it comes to buying. If you're a real estate agent, looking to add an extra $300,000 plus a year, sell a new construction home in anywhere. And it doesn't have to be a new construction home. You can sell just regular homes, waterfront property, acreage, or if you want to be a listing agent, you know, cash offer property and all that fun stuff, we can help, you know, educate you on marketing and all that fun stuff. Go to our newconstructionclass.com. We have all the training and all the detail for you guys. But let's go show you guys the outside. And of course the link and all that stuff is all down below and whatnot, right? But yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys the backyard. Here's the backyard, super spacious, okay? And then we have a beautiful side yard, guys. So we have a beautiful, quiet side yard, pool size on the side also as well, which is pretty awesome. I would definitely do a nice, good sized pool right here. About so we can do it normally. It's about 3 feet away from the fence, and then 3 feet away from the house. So definitely a nice sized pool right there for sure. You can do a pool size backyard too, but not sure if you want to do that. So put on my sunglasses. Oh, and then they have a really nice side yard. You see, beautiful side yard. You can definitely park a nice RV back here, or you can just cement the whole thing. Get HOA approval to fix the fence and whatnot. All right, so you see how it has all this side yard space right there. Amazing, right? So let's go ahead and tour you guys other site. What's up, Stephanie?
Hey, James.
Good, just touring the exterior.
Do you have any questions?
All right, so that's pretty much it, guys, about the whole site. All right, guys, that was Stephanie, our sales agent. If you guys are looking to purchase in the Riverstone, give Stephanie a call. All right, you guys need Stephanie information, let me know. I'll send you guys her information and all that fun stuff. She works for Lennar sales team and whatnot. And for us, you know, for James and Mariz, we just partner up with Lennar as one of our builder that we, you know, send people to. But there's also quite a bit of other builders out there too. So anyways, James here with the Pham Real Estate Group. If you guys like this type of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're here in Riverstone, Madera. There's other property that we can tour, which are the model. Anyways, we're gonna be signing out. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love.